Apple's new iPhone 17 Pro lineup is finally here, but the launch didn't go exactly as expected. Fans rushed to Apple stores worldwide, lining up for hours just to be the first to grab the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, Pro Max, and the all-new iPhone Air. But within just a few hours of release, something unusual started trending online, something Apple surely didn't want on launch day. Across social media, buyers began posting photos and videos of their brand new iPhone 17 Pro units already scratched up. And it wasn't just one or two complaints. From demo units in Apple stores to fresh devices in customers' hands, visible scratches were spotted almost instantly. One frustrated user on X posted, "Demo iPhone 17 Pro scratched on day 1. Not even 24 hours yet. Use a case immediately if you don't want this headache." The post went viral, and soon after, dozens of similar reports began pouring in. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman confirmed the issue, saying Apple Store demo phones across New York, London, Hong Kong, and Shanghai already showed scuffs and circular marks, especially from MagSafe chargers. And here's the catch, it's not just the Pro model. Reports say the iPhone 17 Pro Max and even the black iPhone Air are also prone to scratching. Now here's the interesting part. Have you noticed there's no black iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max this year? Apple's new lineup only comes in silver, cosmic orange, and deep blue. For years, black has been the default iPhone color. So why skip it now? Well, there may be a reason. With the new aluminum unibody design replacing last year's titanium frame, Apple might have avoided a black option because scratches show up much more on darker devices. Aluminum is known for being softer and more prone to scuffs, making it a nightmare for durability tests. This could explain why Apple quietly left black out of the Pro lineup while still offering it on the iPhone Air. But don't panic just yet. The fix is simple. If you're getting an iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, just slap a case on it immediately. Apple has dealt with scratch-prone iPhones in the past, and sales didn't really take a hit. Still, this might finally explain the missing black Pro model. Now, here's where things get interesting. I decided to go hands-on with both the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone Air because honestly, I couldn't choose between them. I picked up a 256GB sky blue iPhone Air and a 256GB cosmic orange iPhone Pro. My plan: keep one, return the other. But I'll let you help me decide which stays. Here's what I've noticed so far. The iPhone 17 Pro Max now boasts a brighter 6.9-inch OLED display rated at 3000 nits peak brightness, making it incredible in sunlight. In my side-by-side test with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung's screen looked slightly brighter but suffered from more glare, while the iPhone cut down reflections thanks to its new anti-reflective layer. In lab tests, the iPhone hit around 1899 nits, compared to Samsung's 1860. The Pixel 10 Pro XL, though, still crushed both at 2555 nits. Camera-wise, Apple added a triple 48MP system with a bigger telephoto sensor, giving up to 8x optical quality zoom. The new 18MP center stage front camera is also a game-changer. It automatically switches to landscape mode when multiple faces are in the shot. In real-world use, at 2x zoom, the iPhone Pro Max delivered slightly darker but more detailed images than Samsung. At 10x, Samsung takes the edge with sharper clarity. At 40x and beyond, the Galaxy S25 Ultra easily dominates. But when it comes to low-light photography, the iPhone 17 Pro Max leaves Samsung in the dust with sharper, brighter images. For wide-angle shots, the iPhone captures gorgeous detail and moodier tones, while Samsung leans into punchier colors. And for close-ups, Apple gives richer color, but Samsung often wins in fine details. So, here's the million-dollar question. Which one should I keep? The sleek new iPhone Air or the feature-packed iPhone 17 Pro? The Air is lighter, stylish, and refreshing. The Pro brings that powerhouse performance and all the premium extras. I'm leaning one way, but I want to hear from you. Drop your choice in the comments, Pro or Air. And don't worry, whichever one I keep, I'll be testing it head-to-head against the Galaxy S25